Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be introducing you to a new series. It's called Gage Brown Cooking, and today I'm going to be cooking up some first recipe I'm going to be showing you, and it is the Parmesan Bunned hot dogs. So here's what you're going to need. You need some hot dogs, you need some ketchup, mustard, the Parmesan for the bun, and some hot dog buns. So what you're gonna do is grab some 2 buns, and so it's already opened up. So next is you grab some Parmesan and try to pour it in, and pour in some Parmesan there, because it's real. Make sure not too much. So we got 2 Parmesan buns there. And now we're gonna get some hot dogs opened up. So hold on just a second. Let's open up some hot dogs. Alright, so let's open up some 2 hot dogs. So okay, so grab some 2 hot dogs, place them in the bun, on the Parmesan bun. So once it's I think I just ripped that up, but don't worry. So after you place the hot dogs in the Parmesan buns, just open up a microwave. You're probably gonna need an adult to help you since you're gonna cook it. So place this in the microwave right there, and close, and then you're gonna set for time cook. So hit time cook. If you don't have that, then try to type in the keypads. So you're gonna type in 30 seconds. You're gonna cook it for 30 seconds and hit start. So I'll be getting back to you guys later, so hold on. Alright, so it's all done by now. So once it's done cooking, just open up the microwave and grab these. Make sure if it's nice and hot, but if it's not hot, just leave it in for 15 seconds. Just cook it up for 15 seconds, 10 to 15, not too much, just 15 seconds. So hold on just a moment. Alright, so once 15 seconds is done, make sure you feel the hot dogs to see if it's hot. If it's hot, it's perfect. So take that out of the microwave, close the microwave, and so grab some tomato, tomato, some ketchup and mustard. So I'm gonna shake the ketchup, open it up, and then put in some ketchup there, just like so, just like that, so, and another one right there. And then grab some yellow mustard. I think I got mustard on the finger. So pour in some mustard. Just like so. And there you go. You got Parmesan Bunned hot dogs with ketchup and mustard. So it's really good. It's so good that you're gonna love it. Alright guys, so if you like my series, then I might make another episode with something different to cook. So alright, so I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and always enjoy your food. See you later.